Clean your face with a wet wipe or face cleanser. After that, moisturize your face. I am using Biotic's Morning Nectar. Now I am priming my face with Insights Primer. It gives matte finishing. For foundation, I am using the newly launched Drop the Base Serum Foundation of Sugar. It's a drop serum foundation and it blends like magic. I'm applying it with a wet beauty blender. For concealing my face, I am using NYX Professional Concealer in the shade Medium. I am using it under my eyes, forehead and around my lips, and some on the bridge of my nose. And I am blending it well. Now to set the foundation and concealer well, I am using banana powder from the brand ADS. I am applying a thick layer of it under my eyes to prevent the fall off of eyeshadow. I am using gel liner from the brand You Are Beauty to do my brows. I am using an angled brush. Firstly, I am taking a brown shadow and applying it in the creases. I am adding red and pink for more vibrancy and depth. Slowly I am adding up and blending it well. Now with the concealer, I am cutting the creases by making an invert U shape. Be careful during this process. After completing, use a nude eyeshadow or pat some powder over that. I'm taking these blue and violet shades on the areas that I applied concealer. Make sure you fill it well. Again, I'm taking the brown shade and applying it in outer corner and blending it all. And some on the lower lash line. I'm using Pack Contour Refill in the shade 18 for contouring my face. Make sure there's no harsh line. Moving on to the blush, I am using L'Oreal blush and applying it on my cheeks in circular motion. Taking a highlighting shade, I am using it on my brow bone to define it. Some on my upper lip and inner eye corner. For eyeliner, I am using A18's liquid liner. I'll make long wings on both eyes. Taking the brown shade again, I am applying it under my lower lash line and some white shadow in inner corners. Coating my eyelashes well with Color Essence HD Mascara. For my lips, I am using a nude shade of Huda Beauty in the shade Spice Girl. Finally, for the best part, highlighting, I am using Makeup Revolution's highlighter palette. I am using a fan brush to apply it. And I'm done. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe it. Love you all.